On one of my off days where I tried to get other things done besides my diorama, I actually was thinking about the walls in my tunnel, and I wasn't happy with the way the walls looked. I really wanted to make them look more like tunnel walls. And I found some styrofoam that was in a box where I had ordered a large item in it. And this is packing styrofoam. This is not styrofoam you can purchase in the store, only because it's very thin and it's also quite pliable. Someone suggested to me to use toothpicks to anchor the pieces together before gluing, and because I didn't have any toothpicks, I used skewers, which are a little bit too big, but in any case, it held it together. And I also glued it with, as you can see here, I glued it with the LePage's Industrial Adhesive, Construction Adhesive, number 300, and it's holding quite well. So once this is all dry, I will flip this level back over. I'm certainly glad I did not glue the both levels to the actual diorama. I processed these walls, these tunnel walls, the same way as I had the portal earlier, which is shown as an extra video on my channel. You can see the portal there, it's upside down and inside out. Once this is all flipped over, you'll see the portal properly. I did it the same way by drawing the lines on the styrofoam and then painting it and then blotting most of the paint off, so that it looks like a stain rather than a paint. Now this side is not quite finished. Once it's all finished, I will flip it back over on the diorama. But this side over here, I got this one done, and I think it looks wonderful. Now, if you bend down and look up, you'll see that there's a gap there, but if you look at it from standing, you won't be able to see the gap. So let me get the train going and show you how it looks coming through this tunnel.